Hello everyone, I'm KB Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. Today, I want to show you how to prepare a famous Chinese dish, Kung Pao chicken,宫保鸡丁. You might have tried this dish in a Chinese restaurant, or you might have ordered it from the takeout. And today, I want to show you how to do it at home with just a few simple steps. Let's take a look how to do it. You can get the recipe in the description right below the video and more information by following the link to the blog post. Cut the breast meat into 1 cm thick pieces. Tenderize the meat by pounding it with a meat mallet on the back of the knife. Cut the meat into 1 cm square. Place the chicken in a bowl. Add salt, ground white pepper, a tablespoon of Chinese wine, Shaoxing wine, tablespoon of water, half beaten eggs, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and a tiny bit of dark soy sauce. Leave it aside and marinate for 20 minutes. Deep fry the chicken in hot oil for about 1 to 2 minutes until the chicken is just cooked and still tender. Move the chicken cube in the hot oil from time to time so that they will not stick to the bottom. Alternatively, you can pan fry the chicken instead of deep frying it if you prefer less oil. When the chicken is done, remove and drain. Now let's prepare the sauce for the Kung Pao chicken. 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of black vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and a tablespoon of Shaoxing wine. About a 1/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of cornstarch. Add a little bit of water and combine all the ingredients, and that is the Kung Pao sauce that we're gonna use to make the Kung Pao chicken. Get a few stalks of large scallion and cut the white section into short pieces, like this. You can use the green section for other purpose. Next, ginger, cut it into thin slices. And bash 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. Wash and pat dry the dry chilies. Then cut it into short sections. Heat up some oil in a pan. Not too much. Remember, we have already deep fried the chicken. Add the aromatics, the ginger, garlic, and the scallion, and the dry chili. Saute over low heat until it turns aromatic. At this point, you can add the Sichuan peppercorn. This is optional. This peppercorn is different from the normal peppercorns because Sichuan peppercorns will give you a numbing effect on your tongue, which is unique to most of the Sichuan cuisine. And Kung Pao chicken is definitely one of them. Once it turns aromatic, add the chicken. Give it a good mix. And add the Kung Pao sauce. Stir fry a little while until the sauce thickens. Lastly, add the roasted cashew nuts. Give it a good mix. Dish out and serve. Serve immediately while it is still hot with steamed rice and garnish with the green section of the scallion. That's the version of Kung Pao chicken prepared by most of the Chinese household. I hope you enjoy watching and don't forget to follow this channel by clicking the subscription button. Until then, I will see you again in the next video. My name is KB Kwan. Bye for now.